Good morning, everybody. This is Keith Larimore Farm. Just out this morning checking things out. Two little guinea fowl, they out here walking around. They hatched out some little babies here about a week and a half ago. I had them in a brooder up under a heat lamp. As you can see, the coastal that we put in is coming in. It's got some weeds in it, but that weed control like it's starting to work on because they died. Thought I'd walk out here in the sweet corn patch this morning, kind of see what was going on. Don't look at the mess, but I was over there at the little trellis picking my cucumbers. I heard a noise. So I decided I'd walk out in the field to see if I could see what was going on. And I know they say that corn pollen doesn't do a whole lot for bees, but there is bees everywhere. So I know they're collecting some of the pollen. I don't know if the pollen off the sweet corn is better than the pollen off of regular field corn, but I don't know if you can see that little fella right there, but he's getting his baskets full. But it's a calm hum out in the field this morning with the bees. And it won't be long all this sweet corn's going to be come on. Now this variety that I have planted is the peaches and cream. It's supposed to be a bicolored corn, real sweet. This is the first year I've planted sweet corn, but overall it looks like it's doing pretty well. Anyway, mostly I just wanted to see if y'all could see all the bees out in the corn and see if y'all could hear them on this thing. But from my understanding, and I'm not a professional, but I mean, you know, I ought to know what I'm talking about. I've been farming for years. These tassels are pretty much the flowers that the pollen come off of. A corn plant is wind pollinated, but the pollen falls off of the tassels and they fall down on the silks, and that makes the kernels on the corn. Well, that's what I've been told all my life. I'll have to do some more research, so don't hold me to that. I might be just an idiot and don't know it. But anyway, y'all have a good day. And I had forgot to mention the other day, I said that, you know, my bees were doing something, but I didn't know what they were doing. Now, these tassels, they just came on the corn the last 3 days. So I know that's not what the bees were actually after. So, and I know they don't get nectar off of corn. So I'm guessing they're just collecting pollen, but they got to be getting nectar from somewhere else, because I still see them filling up some of the supers. So I'm guessing the nectar's coming from out of these river swamps off of some of the trees that's out there. Anyway, that's all I have. I appreciate you watching. I thank you for your support. Y'all have a good day.